Hey everyone, today I am playing my saving. Hey everyone, today I'm doing my Slaying Student Loan Debt Sunday. I have $50 to play with. I'm using Saving with Shalanda's heat book. So we are going to add our $50 in here. And so far in the pot we have 100, 200, 50, 300, 350, 370. So first thing we're going to do is update our tracker. I got my green marker back. So right before this I checked, we were at 1684, I believe. So I'm going to color up to the 1691. So that was great. That was from an Etsy payment. So thank you as always. I so appreciate your support. It's really helping me get ahead of my student loans. I hope that you love everything that you get, that it saves you or helps you save you a ton of money. All right, there we go. Before we know it, Lona's going to be colored in, and we'll just have student to do for this one. But that's great. I mean, I started this, I think started snowballing this the beginning of March or very end of February. I can't quite remember. And we've already paid off this much of it, so that's great. So we're going to flip to our challenge. And we are going to get started. So we got a 4. I need to put it on the calculator, and a 4. So how was your guys' weekend? I don't know how my weekend's gonna go right now because it's Wednesday. I hope it's gonna go well. I mentioned in another video that my son is hospitalized right now. I'm not gonna get into the specifics of that for his privacy, but we will see what the weekend has to hold for all of us. 4. 5. 8. 7 and 5. 7 is this blue. And 5 is this green. Okay, it looks like so far we have a 5-way tie for first place. That's all I got for you guys. Sorry it's so short. I'm not very talkative today just because of things going on in my personal life. But you know, thank you so much for coming and watching my video, and I appreciate all your support. So thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.